Hi guys, welcome back to Monetize. Now I'm recording the weekly preview technical analysis on 21st November 2021. This includes the technical analysis for DXY, which is US dollar index, gold, crude oil, and Nifty. The text format is already there on my website, which is www.monetize.in. Do check the video till the end and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified each time when the new weekly preview is uploaded. Thank you. Let's begin the recording for weekly analysis. To start with, we are taking US dollar index DXY. We are on the monthly chart and let's start the analysis. Now, this is the zone which is around 94.6 already crossed. Going to weekly. This I can lower a bit. Yep. Next level to check is this one. Going to daily. Let's check fib retracement from the swing high to swing low. 23, 38, and 50. So we are exactly at fib retracement 50% of the previous downward cycle. Let's check fib extension on the new upward cycle. The first move, followed by second up move. Let's differentiate the colors. So first cycles 100% is around 96.24, and sorry, the first cycle is the green one, and for the green the fifth extension 1.61 is 96.42, and the second cycle 100% is around 96.24 plus fib retracement 50%. So this zone is the magnetic zone. We have three confluences here. Let's mark it. Going back to weekly to check the direction, it's all bullish. The MACD histograms are still bullish. The MACD lines are still bullish. Even RSI is bullish. So no signs against on the weekly. No signs against on the daily. Likewise, we have MACD histograms pointing upwards and the MACD lines going upwards. Although we are at a very crucial zone, but still no signs against. Let's mark the rising channel. Starting from here, joining all the lows and the high points. So undoubtedly, this zone is a confluence of resistance, the rising channel top and the horizontal levels, but still we do not have any signs against. So I believe it will clear this resistance and take to the next level, which is 96.5, and then it may retrace. I'm just clearing this arrow and the current support. As per the 4 hours time frame, the current support is here. This one, 95.5. So staying above 95.5, we can target 96.5 or a little higher, 96.65, and then it may retrace a bit. We have hidden bullish on the 4 hours, so all time frames, direction is bullish. Let's move to the next instrument, which is gold. I'm clearing my charts, going to monthly. Monthly MACD has given us hidden bullish because the histograms are now pointing upwards, they're shrinking. So the bullish momentum is building up. On the weekly, the momentum is still bullish. The MACD histograms are rising, even the MACD lines are rising upwards. But we have a resistance on the way. Starting from the previous high, this is the downtrend line. Going to daily, yeah. So this resistance is now playing its role on the daily chart. So monthly is bullish, weekly is bullish, daily reached the resistance point. So it's time for some retracement. Let's check the levels. This is 1830 area, which was the major resistance previously, and now it has been broken. So we need a retest of this area. Also, if you check the fib retracement levels, and let's mark it from this low. 23, 38, and 50. So as per 38 to 50 zone, it may come back to 1870 to 1800 area. Let's clear the fib lines and mark the rising trend line. So in case if it goes for a deeper retracement lower than 1830, then this is the area 1816, or if it comes like this, it may come around 1808 also, which is the horizontal level. Below 1830. The interesting point is this was the previous high, this, and we made a new high. So this is a pattern of higher high. We call this high, and this one the new high, the higher high. On the bottom line, if you check, this is the lowest point. This is the higher low, and I've projected in my analysis this could be the higher low in the coming time. And after retesting, it may continue higher like this. Until we are holding above this rising trend line, the trend is bullish. Even if this rising trend line is broken, until you break below this level, which is around 1765, the trend for the higher time frame will not change. Okay, so the pattern is high, higher high, low, higher low, and coming is again a new higher low. So everything remains bullish for the longer run. In the short run, on the 4 hour time frame, it's now head. left shoulder and right shoulder, and breaking below this level, which is around 1849.85. To round off, we can say 1850. We may see deeper correction towards 1830 or 1817 or 1808 area. Okay, let's move on to crude oil. I'm clearing the charts, going to monthly. On the monthly time frame, let's begin with the trend line. This one is broken, and the alternate trend line, if we start from here, joining the previous highs, yeah. So this becomes the resistance with the alternate trend line. The next support is here, 75 area. Got it? If this one is broken, then this area, 65, 66 is the next. Let's go to weekly now. Weekly is clearly under bearish divergence. So the pressure is bearish. This resistance acted strongly with the bearish divergence. If this price does not hold, then we may see a deeper pullback towards this area, which is around 65 to 66. Let's check on the daily. This is the triple top around 85. I'm removing this circle from here. And what has happened recently, this was the structural support point, which was around 79 to 80 area. It is also broken. So this low is broken on the RSI, making a new low on the price chart. Everything is bearish. This is the first point to look for, around 75 area. If broken, then this is the next one, which is around 66. Let's mark them. First target zone, second target zone. And if you check through FIB, '23, 38, 50. Yeah. 50 comes around 73.30, and below that is 70.63, 68. I don't think so it will go so deep, but you never know. Yeah. So this is the area we can target, which is around 75 to 71. In between comes at 73.30. Done. On the 4 hour, still bearish. Everything is bearish. In order to invalidate this bearish setup, it should rise above this point, which is 81.8, 81.5. So if it breaks above this resistance, then the bearish setup will be invalidated. Now let's move to the last one, which is Nifty. Nifty starting with monthly. Monthly, now the MACD histograms have started shrinking down, but MACD lines are still bullish. So it's a mixed scenario. On the weekly, we have clear bearish divergence. Last week it wasn't completed, but now it's completed. The bearish divergence on the MACD lines is completed. The bearish divergence on MACD histograms is completed. Even the MACD histograms are now red and pointing downwards with the momentum. Same on the RSI. Let's mark, let's join the trend line for the higher points. Going to daily now. Sorry guys, sorry, I was interrupted in between. Let's continue. Okay, so this I've shown in my text format as the high, the head, the left shoulder, and the right shoulder. The right shoulder is around 18,189, 18,180, and if you check this trend line, if you join these lows, it's already broken. So what has happened, if we consider this as head and shoulders, which is a bearish pattern, the head, the left shoulder, and the right shoulder with the neckline is broken. As per the thumb rule, the head and shoulder pattern generally duplicates. So let's check the price range from top to the neckline and duplicate this and place it below. So the area and the level is this one. Which is around 16,200, 16,300 area. I'm removing these price range tools and going to 4 hours. Still bearish, everything is bearish. This trend line is gone. It's making lower highs and lower lows. So Nifty is bearish. The only point of invalidation is for the bearish view if it breaks above 18,180 or 18,200, then I can say the bearish plan is invalidated. Otherwise, it's going towards 16,200 area, and let's check the levels in between from this side here. So I'm taking fib levels from this low. So now the next support comes around 17,550, then 16,875, followed by 16,329. So that is the important zone, 16,300, 16,200. So as per the head and shoulders pattern, we can say it should reach 16,200 or 16,300 in the coming days. All right, thank you so much. This is the weekly analysis for the four instruments: DXY, gold, crude oil, and Nifty.